Hi everyone, I'm Scott, and this is my YouTube channel, The Quilting Camper. And today we are unboxing the March Sew Sampler Box by the Fat Quarter Shop. I hope you'll join me. Welcome back everybody. I'm so glad you decided to join me on this unboxing of the March 2025 Sew Sampler Box. I'm really excited to dive in with this. I've waited a little bit too long to film this video, only because I'm still recovering from that flu that I had in February. Who would have thought that this illness would have taken 6 weeks to recover from? I finally got rid of the cough about 2 weeks ago. Thrilled to death about that. But all the coughing triggered my anxieties. I've been dealing with that as well. So thank you so much for bearing with me. You know, I like to try to do 2 full videos a month and about 3 or 4 shorts if I can. March was a challenging month just for that. I appreciate you watching my old content and engaging my YouTube channel. I'm so excited I finally got to 3,000 watch hours for my total YouTube life. Now that's not a year, that's a whole lifetime with YouTube. That's an exciting, monumental moment for me and showing that my YouTube channel is growing. So I'm really excited about that kind of result. Good things to come, right? I also want to remind you guys that if you're looking for sewing machines like Bernina, or if you're looking for sewing notions, I really want you guys to reach out to my friends at Bigsby Sewing Center. I don't want you to forget about them because they're one of the reasons why I'm here doing what I love to do. And I just want to tell you, they have a great staff and a great selection of unique fabrics, buttons, notions. They have long armors by Bernina, as well as Bernina machines and Burnett. They also offer a wide range of classes. Make sure that you check out their website at bigsbysewingcenter.com, and I'll have the website in the description below. Okay, you guys, let's get started with unboxing the Sew Sampler for March 2025. This is a cool box. The theme for this month is Spring Revival. Okay. And on the other side, we have some really awesome promotions. It looks like with a $40 purchase, we get this cute cutting mat that is exclusive to Fat Quarter Shop in their color. And we also have this alternative pattern that we can download. There's always really great exclusives on the back side of this leaflet with every Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler box that we as members can take advantage of. It just adds value to the box. Let's see what our first item is going to be. Looks like an iron cleaner. How about that? We've gotten a couple iron cleaners in the past, but it has been a while. Iron Cleaner by O'Diff. The Iron Cleaner by O'Diff is your new BFF for spotless pressing session. Say goodbye to any residue and fusible gunk with this acid-free wonder. Just heat your iron, dab some cleaner on a 100% cotton towel, and gently rub the sole plate in circular motions. Once it sparkles clean, do a final wipe on a clean towel and erase any leftover cleaner. Your iron will be ready to press on shiny and new, a value of $6.48. Now, I haven't tried this yet. I have heard that a lot of people on YouTube that have reviewed this really like the results, and it works really well at removing the gunk, as they say, from your iron using fusible fleece or like an interfacing with any of that fusible glue on it. Especially if you accidentally tap your iron to the wrong side, that's when something like this comes in handy. I can't wait to try it. So the next item in the box is an endurance blade. Yay! Olfa Endurance 45mm rotary blade. Crafted from special quality steel, the Olfa Endurance rotary blade for the trusty 45mm cutter cuts like a dream, lasting twice as long as your regular blades. It stays sharp for ages and breezes through cotton, wool, paper, vinyl, leather, and more. Keep your quilt mojo going with nice clean cuts, a value of $14.98. You know, with the Joann stores closing, it's really hard to go out and buy a rotary cutter for your Olfa, and here is a really great item to get in our box. I usually save these and put them in my notions drawer because you know what, we usually get 2 of these a year. And this past month in February, we got this awesome retractable 45mm exclusive from Fat Quarter Shop that also had an endurance blade built into it. This one's gonna last a while before I need to replace it with this one. I also use a splash Olfa cutter like this, so I could use the endurance blade with that as well. This is an awesome addition to the box. It kind of creates some continuity from the February box. So thank you, Fat Quarter Shop. That was very thoughtful. Okay, so the next item in this box has caused a little bit of controversy in a very positive way, not a negative way. People have a hard time figuring out how to open it, to clean it. Some people haven't had any luck with it working, but you know what? I tested mine before I did the video just to make sure it works perfectly fine, and I'm really excited about it too. It's a unique product. It's exclusive to Fat Quarter Shop, and it's a little mini vacuum. It's so cute. And it's an exclusive pink color with the Fat Quarter Shop logo on it, and it has the little brushes on the bottom, and there's a little button here that engages it. It's got a nice little pull to it, so I could see it working really good like on my cutting mat, taking off some threads and dust. So let's check this out. Pink Mini Vacuum by Fat Quarter Shop. This mini vacuum makes it easy to revive your sewing room. Turn it on and sweep it over any cutting mat, ironing board, or design wall to instantly clear away lint, dust, threads, and fabric bits. With the charging cord and easy to hold shape, the Pink Mini Vacuum is a clear winner. It comes with a USB charging cable, a vacuum nozzle, and a small electric brush. Valued at $8.98, that's pretty reasonable. This reminds me of something that you could get off of Temu. I've seen similar items, but not as cute as this. And it does come with those accessories and some instructions, which I have found to be not very helpful. Believe it or not, it's a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. That's pretty high tech for an accessory like this. That's in here. And then we've got a little cleaning brush to clean probably the vacuum. And of course, this little nozzle that can go in like that to get into small spaces. Now you might be thinking this might be a good way to clean out the dust and lint in your hook system. I have tried that with not a lot of success. You're best off using a traditional brush to clean your hook system, or if you have like a lint cleaning kit that you use for your hook. This didn't work as well for that just because it's hard to get this nozzle into that hook just right. But give it a try and see what you think. So to open this, you just slightly twist it and it comes apart like this. The dust is going to collect in here and in the dust screen, as they call it. And this comes out. Oh, look, there is something in there because I used it to clean my mat earlier. So the dust screen just pulls out. I used the little scissors to sort of loosen it up and lift it on all 4 points. And you can see the fan in here with the little lint that I had picked up from my cutting board when I was doing my Dresdens. But yeah, you can see that motor. Woo! That motor is pretty fast, isn't it? You know what? This is really kind of cool. I think that there is a little bit of a learning curve on how to open it and take it apart, but once you figure it out, it's pretty easy. Put it back into place and then just lock it back on like that, and then you're ready to vacuum a surface. I have tried it and it works really well. Just for like dust and lint from your fabric as well as like little threads, it does really well, and I use it on my cutting mat. So thank you, Fat Quarter Shop. This was very thoughtful and very surprising. I would like to indicate that there was a card inside the box on how to use the mini vacuum. This is a very thoughtful addition since the instructions that were wrapped with the vacuum were not very understandable. This is awesome. Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop. So the next item in this box is the last block for the Peaceful Basket quilt along with the assembly pattern for the whole entire quilt, because in April we start a whole new block of the month. And guess what? The April box is their birthday box because that's their anniversary for Sew Sampler. Feel at peace in your sewing room as you work on this Peaceful Basket quilt. This sampler quilt draws on traditional sewing baskets for inspiration while becoming an artfully unique quilt. If you missed one, all Peaceful Basket block patterns will be available at Fat Quarter Shop. We have a block pattern for $4.98 and we have a quilt pattern for $4.98, making a grand total of $9.96. These are done very well. I know I have all the blocks for the whole entire year, and now I have the last block pattern. I haven't decided what I'm going to do with them, but it could be a fun giveaway, right? I might think about that. And the other pattern in this box is exclusive to the Sew Sampler box. Waterfall Quilt Pattern by Fat Quarter Shop. Wash away those winter blues with a clean slate. The Fat Quarter friendly waterfall quilt pattern from Fat Quarter Shop is a delightful adventure featuring charming friendship stars in every block. Revive your sewing machine with this stunning quilt and included fat quarter bundle in this month's box. Limited finishing kits available by Fat Quarter Shop. It's a value for $9.98. And of course, on the back side, it tells you what you need for backing, binding, and background fabric. And just what that pattern was talking about, we have some fat quarters from Riley Blake. Waterfall New Beginning Petite Fat Quarter Bundle. Welcome Spring with Open Arms and New Beginnings by Sandy Gervais for Riley Blake Designs. This collection is a delightful mix of stunning florals and chic geometric prints in dreamy palette of cream, apricot, blush, buttercream, and teal. This 10-piece fat quarter bundle holds each lovely hue, and your sewing machine will hum with joy as you craft your springtime masterpieces. A value of $28.98. And we'll have all the colorways right here. Aren't those colors so pretty? I really like the colors of this particular pattern. It's not my design aesthetic, but the colors really kind of make it work for me. So what do you guys think? Does this box live up to its expectation of a spring revival? I do think it has that spring feel to it with the cute little pink vacuum and this beautiful fabric by Sandy Gervais. And of course, when we think of spring, we think of cleaning. So then we have to clean our iron, right? And of course, the Endurance Blade lets us keep cutting and make more beautiful projects. The patterns are really beautiful too. This was a real big hit this month. I'm really happy with this box. The total came to $79.36 in total value. This box cost me $29 plus tax and shipping, making it roughly around $36. It's always fun to get the Sew Sampler box, and I'm always excited to see what each month is going to bring. Remember, you guys, I pay for all my boxes. I'm not sponsored by Fat Quarter Shop. This is something I do on my own volition. If you want to get one of these boxes for you, just go to Fat Quarter Shop website, locate Sew Sampler, and sign up. Usually within a month, you'll be able to get your box. Okay, my friends, remember, if you like what you saw today, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you let people know in your life that the Quilting Camper is a thing. Also, if you want to see what's going on in my world, check out my blog, thequiltingcamper.com. And don't forget about my friends at Bigsby Sewing Center. They're an awesome resource for Bernina machines, as well as a really great selection of unique fabrics and notions. And if you're not in the Milwaukee area, they're just a phone call away. I will make sure to have that information below. Okay, everybody, I'm so grateful that you decided to join me here today on the Quilting Camper. Remember, we're here to share kindness. It's springtime. This is the time of year where we really need to share some extra kind love with each other. Some people suffer from the seasonal changes. I know sometimes I fall into that category, but I have a lot of friends that do as well. Just let people know that you're always here for them. All right, everybody, I really look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye for now. Make sure you check out their website at Bigsby Sewing Center. Make sure that you check their website out at this address right here. Oh my gosh. Today we are unboxing the March Sew Sampler by the Faux something. The Fat Quarter Shop. Oh my word, come on. I've been up since 6:30 a.m. this morning. I'm surprised I'm doing it. It is now 6 o'clock p.m. And just like all the other boxes, there's some cool, unique, and just like all the other boxes, there are some cool things in here. Okay. I swear, there's lots of cool things in here. You know what? Where's my Post-it notes? I need my Post-it notes. I only have 2 hands. To open this up, you just simply twist it. Whoops. Something fell. Feel at peace in your... It's the last one, and it's not a peaceful bath, I promise. Okay. Once again, thank you for watching. Check out some of my other YouTube videos on my channel, The Quilting Camper. See you really soon.